To view and track your submitted Brighte deals, simply navigate to the Applications tab, which can be further broken down by the type of Brighte finance you offer to your customers. To browse through Brighte's 0% interest payment plan applications, select Consumer Applications, and to browse through your Brighte Green or Personal Loan applications, select Personal/Green Loan Applications. You can filter through all your applications in a number of ways, including by reference number, customer name, or the application status. This section, you can also request payment for completed jobs by navigating to each application, selecting Take Action, and uploading your tax invoice. It's important to note that the invoice must match the application details. This includes your details, the customer's details, and the purchase details. Once uploaded, select Request Payment. For Brighte's 0% interest payment plan, if you complete this before 3 p.m. Sydney time, your deal will usually settle on the same day and we'll proceed with payment to you. For the Brighte Green Loan or Personal Loan, once you have uploaded the invoice, Brighte will reach out to your customer, advising them that now the installation is complete. Their repayments will begin in 28 days. We'll also proceed with the payment to you within 1 to 2 business days. For more information on settling your deals, visit our website brighte.com.au/partners or give us a call on 1300 274 448. 1300 Brighte with an E. You can also drop us a line by emailing customer support@brighte.com.au.